Students, in the previous class, we understood what is pollution and how it is caused. In today's class, let us learn about types of pollution. There are three major types of pollutions. They are air pollution, water pollution, and land or soil pollution. Now, what is air pollution? Yes, the addition of pollutants. What is the meaning of pollutant? Yes, harmful substances that pollute air are called as pollutant. Yes. The addition of pollutants such as harmful gases, dust, fumes, or smoke in the air is called air pollution. It is all caused due to human activities. Yes, and also sometimes natural phenomena also involves like volcanic eruptions. Yes, it contaminates the air present in the environment. The pollutants in the air spread very fast and causes harm to all living organisms. What are the reasons for air pollution? Causes of air pollution? Yes, majorly cutting down of trees in large scale is leading to air pollution. As lesser number of trees will be present in the environment, the lesser amount of oxygen is available for living beings. Yes, this also results in increase of carbon dioxide in the air, which leads to air pollution. Burning of fuel such as coal, petrol and diesel in vehicles and factories adds poisonous gases into the air. And also smoke coming out from factories also adds harmful substances, harmful gases such as carbon dioxide into the air. Burning of firecrackers is also one of the reason for air pollution. Yes, the smoke mixes with the air and it causes air pollution. We pollute the air and the air gets polluted. So how will it affect us? How does the air pollution affect us? Means it affects our respiratory system, means will not be able to breathe. Yes, it can cause asthma and other breathing problems. It can also cause irritation in the eyes. Sometimes the harmful gases present in the air can mix with the rain and form acid rain. This rain harms plants and even buildings that falls on. Some of the pollutants are very dangerous for health. They can cause heart disease and can affect the brain, liver and kidneys. So, we are getting affected by air pollution. Yes. So, how can we prevent air pollution? Yes. Factories must be fitted with tall chimneys. Yes, so that harmful gases are released far away from the air we breathe. Burning of any kind of waste must be banned. Yes, trees give out oxygen and help to purify the air. So we need to plant more trees so that they give out oxygen and help in purification of air. Next is land pollution. What is land pollution? Addition of pollutants in the soil is called land pollution. What causes land pollution? Improper disposal of household garbage, household waste is the major cause of land pollution. And also, spraying of fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides pollutes the soil with harmful chemicals. This gives rise to land pollution. Dumping waste from industries also causes land pollution. Improperly maintained landfills also causes land pollution. So, how does the land pollution affects? If the land gets polluted, in that polluted soil, plants do not grow well. Yes, if the plant grows also, if the animal feed on the plant growing in polluted soil will often fall ill. Eating fruits and vegetables growing in polluted soil can cause diseases as they may contain toxic, means poisonous chemicals. So, how can we prevent land pollution? Yes, all waste must be properly disposed at a proper place as suggested by local authorities, municipalities, MCC. We say no? Yes. We must reduce the use of plastic bags by using paper or cloth bag. Instead of using plastic bags, we can use paper or cloth bags. And natural fertilizers such as manure and compost must be used in agriculture instead of chemicals. We must reuse the bottles, plastic containers, cloth bags for other purposes. This will reduce the garbage generated by us. Next, what is water pollution? Yeah, the addition of pollutants in water is called water pollution. How does the water get polluted? Yes, mixing of industrial waste containing toxic chemicals with water bodies such as rivers, lakes pollutes the water. It is the major cause of water pollution. And we also throw the waste such as plastic and curtain boxes, parcel boxes, yes, into the rivers, which also leads to water pollution. Yes, you might have seen people will be washing clothes, bathing in rivers and ponds. That also leads to water pollution as it adds up soap and the detergent. All that will be added into the water bodies. So, because of it also the water gets polluted. Yes, we should not even dump the waste in ocean. Yes, ultimately it causes death of large number of aquatic animals living inside it also. Water is also home for many aquatic animals. If we pollute the water, then the aquatic animals which are living in the water will eventually die. The polluted water affects us. Yes, polluted water is harmful for both plants and animals. Plants die if polluted water reaches their roots. Animals will also die if they drink polluted water. Harmful substances present in polluted water decrease the amount of oxygen present in water. So, aquatic animals and plants die because they do not get sufficient oxygen to survive. Sometimes animals living inside the water swallow the garbage thrown in it and die due to choking on garbage. It will also get stuck in windpipe, and as they cannot breathe, they may die. Polluted water leads to diseases such as diarrhea and typhoid. How can we prevent water pollution? Yes, from the industries, the wastewater is left to the rivers and lakes, ponds. Correct. Instead, they have to treat, means They have to purify the water and then release that water into the water bodies. And should also avoid washing clothes and bathing in rivers and ponds. We must not throw garbage waste near water bodies such as beaches and river banks. They get washed away into the water. So it is our duty and responsibility to avoid making pollution.